Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about. The Ensoela FHD 1080p 44 megapixels compact vlogging camera. This little gem has been making waves in the market, and I can't wait to share all the fantastic features it offers. So, if you're in the market for the best compact digital camera, keep watching. Let's start with what you get when you purchase this camera. It comes with not one, but two rechargeable 700 mAh batteries, a generous 32GB SD card, and a convenient USB-C charger. Right off the bat, you're getting incredible value for your money. Now, let's talk about the camera itself. It's designed with simplicity in mind, making it perfect for beginners and kids who are just starting their photography journey. The user-friendly interface ensures that anyone can pick it up and start capturing beautiful memories. But what about the most crucial aspect, the picture quality? Well, I've got to say, I was pleasantly surprised by the results. The Ensoela camera boasts a 44 megapixel sensor that delivers sharp, detailed images. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or close-up shots, this camera has got you covered. Another standout feature is the 16x digital zoom. It allows you to get up close to your subjects without sacrificing image quality. So, whether you're at a sporting event or trying to capture a distant landmark, you'll get those perfect shots. Now, let's talk about video recording. This camera can shoot in 1080p HD, ensuring that your videos are clear, smooth, and vibrant. Whether you're vlogging, recording family moments, or documenting your adventures, this camera is up to the task. What's more, the Ensoela camera comes with face and smile detection features. It automatically captures those precious moments when your subjects are smiling, ensuring you never miss a great shot. Now, let's talk about battery life. With the included 700 mAh batteries, this camera has impressive stamina. You won't have to worry about it running out of juice during a day of shooting. Plus, the auto shutdown feature helps conserve power, so you won't miss those unforgettable moments. The Ensoela camera also comes in a variety of colors to suit your style. Whether you prefer classic black, vibrant green, or any other color, there's an option for everyone. To sum it up, the Ensoela FHD 1080p 44 megapixels compact vlogging camera offers fantastic value for money. It's a great choice for beginners, kids, and anyone looking for a high-quality, user-friendly camera that won't break the bank. With its impressive picture quality, zoom capabilities, and video recording, it's a versatile tool for capturing life's moments. That's it for today's review, folks. If you're interested in getting this camera, I've provided a link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Until next time, happy shooting!